If you've been searching for a stupid simple way to launch an instant website funnel capable of stuffing your account with thousands worth of email subscribers and up to $738 or more per visitor, and do the bulk of it on autopilot, then a congratulations in order, because you've just discovered a way to not only do exactly that, but also do it without paying a dime for your new funnel. Hey, it's Brian Winters here, and I'm excited you landed on this page because I've got something amazing to share with you. Now, right now, I'm scrolling live through my Yahoo email account, where you can see that my inbox is getting absolutely flooded with sale notifications. I mean, check this out. The list goes on, and you can see the dates and everything. And these are all products, by the way, that pay me monthly commissions. And it's literally non-stop. They just keep coming in, absolutely insane. The fact is, I have money coming in from all directions online. Here's over $9,000 stuffed into my Warrior Plus account in just 3 weeks. Here's another $13,412 in PayPal income. And then here's $155,444 just sitting in one of my bank accounts. And the list goes on. But just as valuable as all the money I'm making online are the email subscribers flooding into my account every day like clockwork. And I'm talking about 400 to 600 email subscribers every 48 hours. Check it out. Now, my email list is as good as money in the bank, because literally every time I mail out an offer to my email list, I make money. I mean, easy money every single time. Now, most offers I send make anywhere from $100 to over $1,000 within the first 24 hours. Now, it depends on the offer and also how many subscribers I decide to email, obviously. Now, here you can say I made $2,451 in just 2 days with a couple quick email blasts. So how exactly am I doing all this and a whole lot more? Well, it's actually an interesting story. Now, back in 2009 or so, I hit a huge road bump in a very successful online business, making me millions of dollars. I went through a divorce and lost almost everything. Before numbers could be settled on in court, I was paying over $9,000 per month, believe it or not, to my soon-to-be ex-wife. And after it became official, I was still paying $5,000 per month, so still a ton of money. Now, I won't go into details on what happened with my ex and I, but let's just say Minnesota is a quote-unquote no-fault state, so I was pretty much jacked either way. But the worst part of everything was obviously becoming a part-time dad to my little girls against my will. After years, it still breaks my heart. But also, as I was going through all this mess and what ended up being a year-long divorce process, my online success also began slipping away. I mean, things move at lightning speed online, and I was falling behind. So I needed a solution to pay for my divorce, my alimony, child support, and everything else, and I needed it fast. I needed something fast. Now, as fortune would have it, I'd been sitting on an idea that I'd had for a very unique income system, at the heart of which was a special duplicating website funnel designed to multiply the direct results of its end users. For example, if a person could bring in a few subscribers into the system, then the system itself would kick into gear and start adding new subscribers to that person's list on true autopilot. And then I also came up with a clever way to monetize the whole system so that users would get paid while building their lists. Now, in theory, the idea sounded promising, so I decided to test it out. And then a number of months later, I was finally ready to roll out this new system. I mean, I'd gone all out, even hiring YouTube comedian Ed Bassmaster to do a video for the site. Now, the big question, though, was whether my site would work for end users. Because if end users succeeded, then I succeeded. But if they failed, then so did I. So we were all in it together. And then it happened. I launched the site and I held my breath. Now, you're probably guessing the results were pretty good, or I wouldn't be sharing this story. But they weren't good. They were incredible. seriously beyond my wildest expectations. And I mean, I could share reams of user testimonials and screenshots with you, but in the interest of time, let me just share my favorite. So listen to this.
Hi, this is Charlie Page, and I want to share with you how one email created a $3,896.36 recurring commission for me. This happened out of the blue the other day, and I want to share it with you.
So what you just heard was the intro to a case study of my system done by well-trusted online marketer Charlie Page. In a matter of days, my system stuffed Charlie's ClickBank account with an impressive $3,896 in monthly commissions. But what you may have missed were these updates that Charlie posted just below his case study video that were even more interesting. And in just 1 month, Charlie had made over $11,000. And then several months later, he'd made over $25,000. And the money continued funneling into his account on true autopilot due to the fact that these were all monthly subscribers. Now, all this happened a few years back, which is actually the best news you have heard all day, because I've been testing, tweaking, and refining the same system for 5 years straight. And the end result is right in front of you. The very page you've landed on here is the doorway into what I call my autonomous funnel system. Autonomous because it's self-perpetuating. My system automatically leverages your modest efforts, turning every one direct response email subscriber that you bring in through your own ready-made funnel into hundreds or even thousands of dollars worth of additional fresh email subscribers on total autopilot. Now, if you've never experienced an email list that builds itself, this is for you. Make no mistake about it, the resulting list is yours alone, meaning you can blast out whatever offers you'd like to your subscribers and keep every dollar you make. But hold on to your hat, because autonomous list building is only one side of the coin. Working in tandem with the list builder is an autonomous income builder, enabling you to get paid while you build your list. Now, obviously, I can't guarantee that you're going to make $11,244 in your first month like Charlie made with one of my original end user funnels, but the potential is off the charts. This is not my original system. This is my latest thoroughbred, my ultimate income weapon. I am super proud of it and extremely excited to be able to invite you aboard for free. Now, here's the bottom line. Sign up below and you can be ready to start earning within minutes. You have absolutely nothing to lose and everything to gain, being that this is a free, tried and true income maker. Now, whether you're trying to dig your way out of a similar spot to where I was when going through a super hard divorce, or just simply here for a virtually instant way to add a powerful new income stream to your portfolio, welcome aboard. Join me below and I will meet you again on the very next page to show you how your free autonomous email list builder can start making you money. I'm talking about the same list building hack that has generated tens of thousands of email subscribers on autopilot for people just like you. All right, get signed up below and let's fire up your new income machine.